Okay, now I'm going to represent 56 plus 7 using strip diagram. We also call this a Singaporean method. Model drawing. Okay, I'm drawing this unit bar. This is your whole. And to represent 56 plus 7, let's go back to the concept of addition. 56 and 7 are your addends. We are going to write our addends inside here. But how do we do that? There are two numbers. We are going to think that the 56 and 7 are your parts of the whole. Because they are the parts, we're going to divide this whole into parts. And there are two addends here. So I'm going to use my brain. I'm a second grader, a third grader, whatever grade level this applies to. I am going to divide this or chunk this into parts. There are only two addends. So I'm going to divide this into two parts. One part would be smaller. That's for 7. The other part should be bigger because 56 is bigger than 7 or greater than 7. 56 is greater than 7. So now we have the parts 56 and 7. We are looking for the whole. What is the sum? What is this whole? What is the total? So I'm going to represent that by doing this. But first, I'm assuming, for example, that I don't know what's the answer. I don't know. It's 63 at first. I'm going to put question mark there. This is my sum. I'm looking for the sum or the total. And if I see this type of model, I know I'm supposed to add them. And obviously, it shows here it's addition. But there are cases when you're reading word problems, you don't even know if you're adding, subtracting, or multiplying. We're going to talk about that in the next video. So we're going to do, I'm going to write my equation again. That's 56. Of course, we know it came from 56 plus 7, but I'm going to rewrite it here. Later, you will know why, because later we'll be dealing with word problems. 56 plus 7 equals blank. Or a student may decide to say 7 plus 56 equals blank. Higher level math, not just first grade or kindergarten, you would know commutative property. If you're second grade, third grade, or third grade, fourth, fifth, because of commutative property, 56 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 56. Right, then another level of student may be able to figure out that you can write it this way. Blank minus 56 equals 7. Or blank minus 7 equals 56. If the student understand related facts, family, a student can write this down. But basically 56 plus 7 is the main thing that most of the students will come up with. Now, when do we use this too? It depends on the student. A student may use, I as a student, if I don't know my standard algorithm, which is this one, I may end up using this method. I'm going to use my pictorial model, which I've shared in the other video, right? And I may use this. I'll make the next 10. And I'm going to do the number bond for this one in such a way one part would be added to 56 so that 56 will turn into 60 and whatever is remaining will be added to 63. I'm just telling a summary of the previous video that I shared. All right. I hope you understand or you learned something new today.